Hello, my name is Jack. I am from Italy. I live in a small town called Verona, but I have a dream. I want to study in London. London is a big city in England. It has many famous places, like Big Ben, the London Eye, and Buckingham Palace. I want to see these places. I also want to learn English better. I think London is the best place for that. Verona is a quiet place with beautiful old buildings and friendly people. I have lived here all my life. I go to school every day. I like to play soccer with my friends. I also like to read books and watch movies. Every day I think about London. I imagine myself walking on its streets, visiting museums, and going to a big school. I feel excited when I think about it. But there is a problem. My parents are worried about my dream. One evening, I sit with my parents in the living room. I say, "Mom, Dad, I want to talk to you." They look at me and say, "What is it, Jack?" I take a deep breath and say, "I want to study in London. I want to go there next year." My mom looks surprised. She says, "But Jack, London is very far. It is a big city. It can be dangerous." My dad nods and says, "Yes, Jack, we worry about you. You are safe here in Verona." I understand their worries. London is far from home. It is a big change, but I feel ready. I say, "I know it is far, but I will be careful. I want to learn. I want to see the world." My parents look at each other. They are silent for a moment. Then my mom says, "We love you, Jack. We want you to be safe, but we also want you to be happy." My dad adds, "We need to think about this. It is a big decision." I feel hopeful. I know they are worried, but they also want me to be happy. I smile and say, "Thank you, Mom and Dad. I will be careful. I promise." That night, I go to bed and think about London. I know it will not be easy, but I am ready to work hard. I am ready to follow my dream. I feel excited and happy. London, here I come. Chapter 2. Planning the trip. I am very happy. My parents are thinking about my dream. I know it is a big decision, but I am ready. I want to go to London. One day, I talked to my friend Alex. Alex is my best friend. We play soccer together. We go to school together. I tell Alex about my dream. I say, "Alex, I want to study in London." Alex looks excited. He says, "That is amazing, Jack. I want to go too." We talk a lot about London. We think about all the things we want to see and do. We decide to go together. We will be study partners in London. We start to plan our trip. First, we need to get our passports. A passport is a small book. It shows who you are. It lets you travel to other countries. We go to the office and get our passports. We feel excited. Next, we need to buy our plane tickets. We look on the internet. We find a good price for tickets to London. We use our savings to buy the tickets. We are going to fly on a big plane. It is my first time on a plane. I feel a little nervous, but also very excited. We also need a place to stay in London. We look for a small apartment. We find one near our new school. It is not big, but it is nice. We are happy. We will live together in London. Now we need to pack our bags. We make a list of things we need: clothes, books, and some food for the trip. We pack everything carefully. Our bags are ready. We are ready. My parents are still worried. They say, "Jack, be careful. London is a big city. Stay safe." I promise them I will be careful. I give them a big hug. I say, "Thank you, Mom and Dad. I will call you every day." Alex and I are very excited. We talk about our new life in London. We talk about our new school. We talk about the places we will visit. The big day is coming. We will soon be on our way to London. Our adventure is about to begin. Chapter 3. The journey begins. The big day is here. Alex and I are ready. We say goodbye to our families. My mom and dad give me a big hug. They say, "Be safe, Jack. We love you." I say, "I love you too. I will be careful." Alex and I go to the airport. The airport is big and busy. Many people are there. Some people look happy, while others look tired. We check our bags. We get our boarding passes. Then we wait for our plane. We feel excited and a little nervous. It's my first time on a plane. Alex has never been on a plane either. We talk about our new life in London. We talk about our new school. We can't wait to see the city. Finally, it's time to board the plane. We get on, and it's very big inside. We find our seats. I sit by the window, and Alex sits next to me. We fasten our seat belts. The plane starts to move. I look out the window. It goes faster and faster, and then we are in the air. I see the ground getting smaller and smaller. We are flying. It is amazing. I feel happy. Alex looks happy too. The flight is long. We talk, read books, and watch movies. We also sleep for a while. The flight attendants are very nice. They bring us food and drinks. We eat sandwiches and drink juice. After a few hours, something happens. The plane starts to shake. It's turbulence. I feel scared. Alex feels scared too. But we stay calm. We hold hands. The turbulence stops, and we feel safe again. We look out the window. We see clouds and the blue sky. It's beautiful. We feel excited again. We are getting closer to London. Finally, the plane starts to go down. We are landing. I see the city below. It is big and full of lights. We are in London. The plane lands smoothly. We get off and feel very happy. We get our bags and go through customs. The officer checks our passports. Everything is fine. We are in London. Our adventure has begun. We can't wait to explore the city and start our new life.